Folks, I hope you have a hot piping cup of coffee in your hand because this video will be right up your alley. This is Ekster's newest product on their product line. And this is going to be their high-end backpack, which has just been released. And I'm super pumped on this one. The reason why is I'm going on a trip, taking my laptop with me, taking my drone with me. And so be careful if you're going to be using a knife, obviously. Let's get this thing out. Let's stack this thing up and see what we have inside. But before we do, just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video, top link will be this backpack as well as their other products by Ekster, where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself. I have other reviews of their wallets, just like this 18 karat gold plated Ekster wallet. I have that review already up on the channel, so check that out. Top link in the description box. Okay, enough of that. Let's get this thing out. They also have a really nice weekender bag that I got my hands on as well. And this thing is shaping up to be just the same quality as the weekender bag, which I really like. My trip's gonna be for a little bit longer, so I need a little bit more room. So I'm taking an actual carry-on suitcase. But for a quick overnighter, my last trip up to Breckenridge, Colorado, the weekender bag did awesome. This is the Grid backpack. Waterproof zippers, water-resistant exterior, reusable multi-purpose bag, recycled materials, tech case, camera cube, power bank, tracker card, tech pocket, main compartment, data protection, side straps, water bottle pocket, ergonomic strap adjustment, luggage compatible. Weighs in at 2.6 pounds, laptops up to 16 inches. Dimensions are 12 inches by 18 by 5.9 inches. That is good to hear because my MacBook Pro is a 15-inch MacBook, and I'm really glad because not all high quality backpacks give you the room for a 15 or 16-inch laptop. All right off the bat, this thing is a good looking backpack. This thing is definitely living up to its name. Okay, so up at the top, and again, everything is blacked out. So we have a blacked out Ekster logo right here. We got little straps right here. It looks very high end, definitely high tech. It definitely looks really modern as well. Zippers go all the way down to the bottom. And so you literally, the zippers go right here to here. This folds up like this. We'll start right here. This is a beautiful bag. This definitely reminds me of a high-end Italian luxury brand. The way everything is set up just beautifully. Again, kind of a really nice light gray color on the interior. The camera can pick that up. So up here, we have our top sleeve up here. So it slips in down here, and then it kind of folds up into this area here. You have a little pull strap. You have some small little bags here for a power bank or whatever is up your alley. Coming around here, we have a zipper, and then you have another pocket area here as well with this one here. Put all your charging cables, your memory card sticks, drone, rechargeable batteries, etc. Now, when I was flipping through this, the add-ons are the tech case and camera cube, power bank, and tracker card. So those are all add-ons. So if you're going to be using this for your DSLR camera, which I'm filming on right now, get their add-on camera cube, put it right in here. Again, look at this room compared to where the laptop goes in. Let me grab my MacBook. So you're like, Chris, we've seen where my tablet could go, my drone can go, but where can my MacBook go? This is a 15-inch MacBook Pro, and we haven't even got to the juiciest part yet. So right in the back by your strap here, so right underneath here. Now, let me see if I can get the correct shot here. We do have a beautiful little felt microfiber pouch right here that actually has an additional small zipper. So you could have your memory cards, flash drive right up there in this little zipper area here. And then this is a very soft pouch. You could put your cell phone up there, and that has like this magnetic type of latch to it here. That's a really cool feature. And then this all down here, that is what's gonna fit up to your 16-inch laptop right behind you. As we can see, my 15.6-inch laptop, MacBook Pro, room to spare, and zip that guy on up right there. And if you are wondering, of course, you do have your pads right here in the back as well to protect it as well. and so that laptop will not be clanking on your back because these nice thick pads here on the back, not to mention feels a lot better on your back. Plenty of room inside. Let's go ahead and flip it over. And let me just show you the side before we do flip it over. Look at this. It feels like leather to me. I don't know if that is leather or not, but that feels really good. Look at the side of that. You have little clips and straps here just to make it look really sharp looking. Definitely hop on your Triumph motorcycle, head to class, head to work. Great design. I love the little accents down here at the bottom a little bit. That's maroon if the camera's picking that up there. And this little strap, if you are wondering, that is what goes around your carry-on suitcase or suitcase in general. And so it would mount sideways down your suitcase like so. Over here on this side, we do have a zipper right here, which opens up, and this is actually the RFID blocking right here, so you can put your cell phone or whatever you want inside here. Here's a Samsung S21 Plus. Fits beautifully inside there. Obviously, anything else that requires that kind of technology, or even if you don't care about the technology, you can have your cell phone sit in there. Coming over to the other side here, we have ourselves our water bottle holder here, and that is, let me try to get the shot here, that is nice and like nylon, and it's compressing right there, so it stretches out, and then the bottom is that type of leather or nylon, whatever that is, feels great there. So far, loving it. It seems very durable. So let me load this sucker up. Let me take it on my trip. And what's so nice about the Weekender bag, which is right over here, and the backpack, of course, is the dust covers and reusable bags as well. So I just stash them inside, and they're nice enough to put inside your master closet, looking real sharp like a high-end bag. Not to mention keep dust off of it. Here in Colorado, we get a lot of dust that accumulates quickly. So let's show you a few things that I was able to pack in here. Of course, it can do much more than this. I haven't even really got to most of the top headroom yet, but we got GoPro, handheld stick. I can fit 2 GoPros in this thing. Nice little cube for this backpack. We got our MacBook charger in one of the nice little slots here. I should say a little pocket on the interior. I got my full drone bag right here with controller, 2 batteries. That's the Mavic Pro DJI drone. And of course, could slip in a tablet, a smaller laptop in the interior portion of the pocket that I showed you. You got your 2 zip-up pockets right here, of course. Right here, I got a little power bank right here. And then, of course, my MacBook Pro in the back. If you are wondering, my trip was a success. Thank you very much. The bag did great. And not to mention, here is a big 32-ounce water bottle. I never really travel without anything smaller than this. The reason why is I like my water bottle and I like water. So again, a 32-ouncer is going to fit just nicely in this water bottle pocket. I don't think you can fit anything larger than the 32-ounce. That fits nice and snug, but a regular 12-ounce, 16-ounce, easy, no problem. Just stretch it out, but it is a beautiful fit for the 32-ounce as well. Easily removable, etc., etc. Not to mention these little hooks right here. You can put a carabiner on there if you did have a larger water bottle. Carabiner, hook that on so it would lie flat against the side of your back. I have done that in the past. Not to mention you do have your 2 hooks right up here as well. And if you are wondering, this is how the backpack looks on myself. I know it wasn't cool when I was in high school to jack your backpack all the way up, but I personally like the backpack nice and high. I remember in school, man, we would have like the backpack sagging way back, and that was totally bad for your back. Or like one shoulder. It's all about the 2 shoulders. Save that back. Anyway, here it is looking really sharp. Let me back it up a little bit here. As we can see, let me give you a full twirl around here as we like. So as we can see here, we're looking really sharp. Almost as sharp as that hair, I'll tell you what. Folks, overall the backpack is great looking. It does a great job, stashes a lot of stuff. And I know I keep talking about trips and stuff like this and that, but even for school, college, high school, grade school, junior high, I think it looks really sharp and lives up to the Ekster name for sure. Definitely check out the Weekender bag as well by Ekster, not to mention their wallets as well. They're most known for their wallets, but I really like how they're expanding into other markets as well. Again, top link in the description box below. Use that link, get your discount, read more about the products and pick them up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out. Helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this by Ekster, tech reviews, DIY van life builds, DIY home projects, and more. We will see you on the next one. Your link, once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.